Hello everyone! Today I am making some blueberry thumbprint cookies for my boys, and I thought I'd show you how I make them. For this recipe you will need 250 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of cubed cold butter, 100 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and jam of your choice. I'm going to use blueberry jam for this. Start by adding your sugar into your bowl. If your sugar is already very fine, you can skip this next step and go straight to adding the rest of the ingredients. However, if it's quite large granules, you can blitz it for 10 seconds on speed 7 to make it finer and easier to dissolve. With the sugar all fine, add all the remaining ingredients. Mix for 20 seconds on speed 6 to combine. It's important not to overmix your dough, as you want it to be a relatively crumbly cookie. Empty the dough onto a silicone mat or straight onto your bench top. Working quickly, lightly knead the dough together and form a sausage shape. Then, wrap in cling wrap and leave it to rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, preheat your fan-forced oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking tray with baking paper. Slice your cookie dough into thin slices and roll quickly into a ball. Place onto the baking tray and flatten it slightly with your hand. I got 21 cookies in total from this dough, and you can make them a little bit smaller if you want some more. Using your thumb, press down into the center of each cookie. Add small spoonfuls of jam to the center. I did overfill mine slightly, so you can either make a larger dent in the center or use slightly less jam. Place into your preheated oven for 20 minutes, or until slightly golden on the outside. Leave the cookies to cool slightly, then it's time to serve up or store in an airtight container. That is, if there's anything left. Thank you so much for being here. If you want more recipes, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again next time.